From the Arctic to the Pacific, this past year has showed me what life truly has to offer. It showed me that the world is far more beautiful than I could ever imagine. It showed me how far I can truly push myself to limits that I am still unaware of. Most importantly, it taught me that the people who are in it are far more important than the place that I'm in.
My phone.
Is it recording?
What would you say?
Okay, hello. I'm Emily Hodison. Anna, do you want to introduce
I
yourself?
threw my phone in the trash can.
I swear to God, I did.
I think I did.
Pick it up like a man. Let's drink it. Cheers.
Sometimes I live in the moment too much to realize there is more. See, there is no rule to this thing. There is no one road that you take. It's all just a long road trip, and all I hope to do next year is more than just drive.